we are looking at how to pronounce these word or this name. We'll be looking at how to say more names from anatomy and names from Greek mythology, because indeed this is a name originally from Greek mythology, a Greek hero, as you can see here. Achilles is how you say it, but it's also a name from anatomy, the name of this part here of the body. So now let's break down how you pronounce this correctly. Achilles. Stress on that second key syllable. Achilles. Achilles, both for the Greek hero and for the part of the body. Achilles, did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. It helps me a lot. Thanks for that. I appreciate the support, and more videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.